Creating video ads used to take hours, scripting, editing, voiceovers, all that work. But now, there's an AI tool that does it all for you in just a few clicks. Meet Creatify. AI, your new shortcut to professional video ads. Creatify is an AI-powered platform designed to help creators, brands, and marketers produce video ads in minutes. No camera, no crew, no editing software. You simply upload your product images or paste a product link, and Creatify automatically generates the script, visuals, and voiceover for your ad. It's like having your own creative agency, but powered entirely by AI. The link to the website is given in the description. Just open it and create your free account. Once you log in, you'll land on a super clean and easy-to-use dashboard. Now, let's see how this AI tool actually works and what makes it stand out. So here we are on the main dashboard of Creatify. At the top, you'll find Aurora, a virtual avatar tool that can create ultra-realistic talking videos from just a single image. Right next to it, there's the AI video ads feature. It can instantly turn your product, URL assets, or even a written script into a full video ad. Below that, you'll see a range of popular tools like avatar video, product video, asset generator, image ads, VEO3 ads, AI shorts, batch mode, video editor, and create your own avatar. On the side panel, there's a complete set of creative tools: avatars, projects, products, smart assets, and even analytics like market trends, competitor tracker, my ads, and creative testing. Now, let's try out its most exciting feature, the Aurora avatar tool. Creatify's most realistic and expressive avatar model yet, Aurora, sets a new standard in synthetic media realism. Designed to elevate content creation, Aurora captures emotions and expressions in remarkable detail, empowering creators and marketers to produce content that resonates on a deeper level. Here, you can upload your own photo or select an avatar from the built-in library. You'll find realistic avatars, styled avatars, and custom avatars. And you can even filter them by gender, age, location, industry, and style. I'm going to choose this one and then select a style. Once you're happy, just click Confirm. Next, you'll need to add your script or upload audio. You can write your own or use the AI script writer. For example, I clicked AI script writer, I selected the motivational style and entered the prompt "Write a script about honesty." And within seconds, it generated a complete script for me. When you enable Avatar Mirror, you can record or upload your own voice and the avatar will perfectly mirror it. You can also add voice emotions from here. Just click on it and it will automatically start adding emotions to your script. If you're not happy with the changes, you can easily undo or keep them as you like. Once that's done, you can preview the updated audio to hear how it sounds. Next, you can choose your caption style. There are several to pick from. Just select the one that matches your video's vibe and click Confirm. And if you'd like to go a step further, you can even add custom emotions to make your avatar sound more natural and expressive. Once everything looks good, just click Create Video and Creatify starts generating it. After a few minutes, it's ready. Now let's play it.
Honesty isn't always the easiest path. It's the bravest. Every time you choose to speak your truth, even when it feels uncomfortable, you build unbreakable confidence and self-respect. Imagine a world where every connection, every promise is rooted in trust because you decided to be genuine. Today, embrace honesty in every moment. Let your words and actions inspire others. Start now and see for yourself how much lighter and empowered your heart can feel.
Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. It feels like watching a real person. You'd never guess this was made by AI. Aurora is the latest foundational avatar model from Creatify, most expressive and realistic yet. It brings an unprecedented level of emotion, subtle detail, and lifelike delivery to synthetic avatars, making it the go-to tool for creators and brands seeking to produce scalable, high-performing, and truly engaging content. From here, you can share, launch, duplicate, or save it as a template. You can even download it or save it as your personal avatar. Now, let's jump into editing. You can add background music from the built-in library. Just preview each track and select your favorite. I've picked this one and adjusted its volume ratio.
Honesty isn't always the easiest path. It's the bravest. Every time you choose to speak your truth, even when it feels uncomfortable, you build unbreakable.
You can also change the avatar, add new elements, and even upload your own files by dragging and dropping. Each element can be rotated, resized, or have its opacity adjusted for that perfect look. From here, you can also add text, whether it's a headline, subheadline, or body description, plus ready-made CTS to make your video more engaging. Next, you can also add a new scene from here. Just enter your script, then choose a voice. There are plenty of realistic voice options available.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.
Select the one that fits your style best. Now, you'll need to choose the voice model. I'm going with Voice Model V3. You can fine-tune everything here, including the volume, speed, stability, similarity, and voice style. And yes, you can even add voice emotions to make the delivery more natural and expressive. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the audio until it sounds perfect. Once done, let's play the new scene.
Creatify's most realistic and expressive avatar model yet, Aurora, sets a new standard in synthetic media realism. Designed to elevate content creation, Aurora captures emotions and expressions in remarkable detail, empowering creators and marketers to produce content that resonates on a deeper level.
Wow, it's really stunning. The clarity, tone, and natural flow are just impressive. From here, you can explore different scene settings and customize them as you like. Once you're happy with the final version, you can render the video directly from here. You can save it as new or override the existing version. Before saving, it'll ask you to choose a render model. I'll select the Aurora model, which delivers that premium, refined result. So that's a complete look at Creatify. From creating ultra-realistic avatars to generating professional voiceovers and stunning AI videos all in one place. Honestly, it's one of the most impressive AI tools I've tried for video creation. Fast, creative, and super easy to use. Aurora avatars don't just deliver lines, they perform them with true emotion and subtlety. Generate lifelike talking avatars from just a single image. No studio, no camera, no limits. Create high-fidelity avatar videos of any length with incredible detail and ease. With industry-leading realism and expressiveness, Creatify brings a true human touch to your digital content, making your message more engaging than ever. Bring your ideas to life across any format, whether it's character animation, podcasts, virtual representatives, or even singing avatars. One powerful AI tool, limitless creative possibilities. If you want to give it a try, the link to the website is in the description. Just open it and create your free account today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.